morning, everyone. It is 8:30 in the morning. Today on July 8th, 2013. This is the first pre-market hour. The first pre-market hour reporting that we've done thus far, and that we're going to try.
Are you whispering there, Coach?
I wasn't talking very loud there.
Okay. All right. Well, I can hear you. So carry on.
Yeah.
See how this all pans out, but let me give it a shot. Part of what I wanted to do in this first hour was put some live trades on, get that recorded, maybe get some of that in the recap, and also to get the recap of the prior day's trading. And so on the prior day, which was actually Friday, we traded the Russell. I don't see my marks on the Russell from the prior day, so I think, oh yeah, they're probably there. It just needs to load.
There were a couple times in this recording where I had to load data.
I'm just going to go over a little bit there. All right. July 2nd. And, of course, my wife is texting me from another room. July 4th. Here it is, July 5th. All right, and there are our trades on the Russell. All right, we'll start out with the trades in the morning right here. We had missed this one right here first trade of the day, and we had missed this trade right here, and we had a short trade right here where we picked up some profit. I don't know how much profit we picked up on that, but we picked up some profit on that. We missed the next opportunity. Actually, there wasn't another opportunity right there. Let me back this out a little bit. We missed. We didn't have an opportunity here because we didn't have any bearish diversions. We had a long trade right in here. We missed that opportunity. We picked up a little profit on this one, a little profit on this one, a little profit on this one. And there was a short trade right here, but it was going, actually these are this week's weekly trading zones. So this one was not going into the zone at the time. We missed a trade in here, and I believe we probably missed another trade or two in there too. Let's see. Over here, there was a long trade right in here that we missed. You guys see all that? And over here, that's it. That was it for the Russell. All right, those were the trades that we took off Russell, and that was on Friday. Okay, I'm going to slide the Russell off right now. Now, if we look at the Russell the way it is right here, all right, we have the MA1 above the BBC and the black line below the BBC. That's indicative of chop, so we're not going to place any trades here on the Russell at the moment. Okay. Let's see what other markets do we have trades on. Crude oil. Let me slide crude over, and I'm probably going to need to do the same thing with the data. Looks like, yeah, I am. Okay, we're going to need more data here on the crude. More data. There we go. No, I have to sneeze. He's done.
I said that.
Now, we have the additional data, and let's blow this up and see if my marks are still on this from Friday. Some of them are. There they are. Okay, good. All right. Now, I am not sure that this is showing all the marks, but I know we did have a short trade in here where we took a little bit of profit. What did we have profit on crude? We had 21 ticks profit on crude. On Friday. So I had a short trade in here. We had one in here that we missed, one in here that we missed. A change of direction. Nothing in there because the black line got below. There was a long trade right in here that we missed. A short trade right in here that we missed that would have failed. Nothing there. Long trade in here that we missed. Long trade over here that we missed. I believe, yeah, there was another one right in here that we missed. One right in here that we missed. And that's all I have showing, but I know we had, we didn't have, I'm sorry, we had 8 ticks profit on crude. Not 21, we had 8 ticks profit on crude. That makes more sense. We had 21 on the month so far. Okay, and that is what had happened on Friday in crude oil. Now, the other market that we traded on Friday was gold. Before I go too much further, there was just a long trade. Well, it would be like this. And that's the first up close. Just a long trade right in here on the soybeans a few minutes ago. Well, that was pre-market. It's not really moving right now. Gold is starting to move. When the gold is starting to move up, there are bullish crosses. We don't have bullish divergence yet. Okay, so there's nothing there on the gold that we can trade just yet. Same thing with the Russell over here. There's nothing here on the Russell that we can trade just yet at the moment. Okay. Oops. And if I slide the crude oil back over here, we'll go to the end of the crude and see it's starting to move a little bit right here as well. And I don't see anything here. I don't see anything here that we could do either. All right, so I'm going to slide that back off. Hang on just a sec. There we go. All right, have a copper trade. All right, a down close on the current bar here would be a short trade on the crude. 241 is the high. 37 would be the low. If 41 stays the high, 37 would be the low. Okay, so we'd look to short crude at 37 if we get a down close over there. It's down close with orange bars. I don't like that so much, but if we get a down, okay, now it's a black bar, and that would be in favor of it. Big favor right there. And I'll go through that again in a minute. If we get the down close, I have my finger on the trigger here. I'm waiting for the down close. Come on. No, it wants to. Okay. 102.37 is where the down close is going to be on this bar. If it closes down, it's going to be 102.37. If it closes up, it'll be 102.41. Okay, how do I know that? Well, because it's a 4-tick range bar. My finger's on the trigger. I'm just waiting for the thing to close down right here. Waiting. There it is. Okay. I didn't get filled at 37, but I did just get filled at 36. Okay, I'm short 102.36 right there. Okay. He takes risk on that. Just check that, make sure. Yes. He takes risk on that. Crude oil is going into the low of the day. A down close below the MA1 right here, or 4 ticks profit in the trade, whichever happens first. I'm going to move my stop to break even. Okay, I think they'll both happen at the same time. But either way, down close below the MA1 and stop goes to break even. Okay, there it is. Stops at break even on that crude trade. I'm just going to lock in a little profit on it right away, just because we're going right into the low of the day here. All right, so I have a couple ticks profit locked in on it right now. All right, there it is. You guys should be able to see that. Let me just look over here on this other monitor. Yeah, you guys can see that just fine. Okay. I'm going to lock in a few more ticks. Oh, actually, one more tick. And we'll see how we end right here. Okay, I'm still in it. So we'll see if it's going to push down far here or not. All right. And while that trade continues to execute here, I'm going to find my copper chart because that was the last one that I had a trade on Friday. All right, I am flat. So that was our first trade of the week, first trade of the morning. And we just took a little bit of profit on it. All right, right there. Okay. I went over this scenario right here. If you look at this and your trade setup right here, that just happened. I'm going to let the recording go just a little longer this morning. Okay. All right, so that's a significant move down. Really quickly, like that.
And that, my friends, is live radio. Doesn't get any more live than that. Are you still there?
I'm still here right now.
Oh, I thought you left because I was trying to. Oh, you did finally type something back.
I did.
Oh,
sorry. I was watching. I was mesmerized.
were you? Well, we did get to see that one live trade, and if I had known the points where the live trades were, I could have just lifted through them. So anyway, I thought you were gone.
No, I was still here. I still am, as a matter of fact.
Anything else you want to add?
Well, okay, tomorrow, here's what I'll do. I'll make the recording again. There's a little echo. I don't know. It's got to be you're right. I'll make the recording again. I'll do the recap right away in the morning. And, I'll keep the recap relatively short. And then I'll let it play and take live trades. Actually, you know what? Maybe I'll just stop the recording, because if I stop it and start it again, it just appends it to the end. So I'll do that for like a half an hour or so, and any live trades that I get, they'll just get added on right at the end. How's that sound? That way you don't have to worry about jumping through.
Oh, who told you it appends it to the end?
I read it.
Because then they've changed, because it used to be that it rewrote the whole thing, because I went through a 2-hour session one day, stopping and starting, to at the end of 2 hours I had 5 minutes of video, because it had only saved that final 5 minutes. So just double check that. But if they have
No, and we'll see if that stuck it on the end or if it started it all over again. And that'll be a good test of it, because I think if that works out, then that would be a good way to go too, so everybody can see some live trades that we put on in the pre-market. I mean, there were more trades this morning. We placed in the pre-market this morning. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. 7 trades this morning. So there were more of them. All right. So with that, I am going to wrap up this recording.